In this video, I'm going to show you how to open and close tabs in Safari on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin, and don't forget to like that video. So, once you open up your Safari browser, here is the start page, and I can here open some website, and to open another tab, I need to tap here on that tabs icon and there tap on plus. Here I see that now just one tab is opened. I select plus and now another tab is opened. I can check that. Just tap here on tabs icon again. There are two different tabs. Here I can open Apple, for example, and apple.com. And now I see that two tabs is open. I can tap plus again, select Bing or whatever else. So now three tabs is opened and I can easily switch between them in any time. And now to close any of that tab, tap here on that icon again, and here you can tap on that cross icon right here at the top right corner of each tab. You see it right here. If I tap on that, now that tab was closed. And also you can close any tab just with a swipe to the left, like a kind of short swipe like that. And now you see the tab was closed. Let me show you again. You see that starting page is appeared again. That's how it works, and I hope it was helpful for you. So before you go, please like and subscribe.